latest input coming in on the IT crackdown that is underway. One person has been detained in the raids at Malik Mia's residence in New Delhi, from where Piyush is joining us. Piyush, confirm to us, one person detained. If you can divulge more on that, and what has been recovered by the officials?
Well, Swisha, what we're now learning is that a man has been detained from the residence of Mia Malik. As of now, his identity has not been revealed by Income Tax Department, though a senior officer from Income Tax Department had come here half an hour back. After following due procedures, now this man has been detained. This is what we are told. We do not know if he has been arrested, where he has been taken by the senior police, senior officer of Income Tax Department for questioning, but he has now been taken. One more senior person was there, and there was a lady constable along with that, and these three people have now gone. A person has now been detained from the residence of Mia Malik. We are continuously showing you pictures from that particular floor where the questioning, where the investigation of Income Tax Department is going on. Raids are going on since 7 a.m. in the morning. After conducting more than 10 hours of raid, finally a person has been detained. That is the confirmation which we can tell to our viewers, that a person has been detained, and that is a very big development which is now taking place. A couple of minutes back, we also saw a printer being taken inside this very building on the 4th floor of this very house where these raids are taking place. A couple of minutes back, we also saw a senior officer from Income Tax Department from Noida. He had come from Noida. This is a team from Uttar Pradesh, and now after coming here, following due procedures, a man has been detained. That is the big breaking development which is now taking place. For the last more than 10 hours, we are seeing as to how raids are continuously taking place, not only here in Delhi, but in Noida, in Mumbai, in Kanpur, in Kannauj. And if you talk about Mia Malik, remember that he's one of the perfume barons, perfume dealers whose house was raided there in Kannauj also. Along with him, there are other people also, including Mohammad Yaqub, MLC of Samajwadi Party. His house has also been raided, and we are also seeing as to how political turn has taken place. This entire raid, where Akhilesh Yadav is blaming BJP. BJP is now saying that why Akhilesh Yadav is getting frustrated when a big crackdown is taking place on black money. But the point here is that a person has been detained. This is what we are getting to know right now.